Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a glitch to talk about as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so before we get into these coupons, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a warning. I have a kitten in here with me this morning, so if you hear purring or meowing or possibly even hissing, that's what's going on. A big, huge German Shepherd stray showed up last night and he's kind of roaming around chasing cats, so I had to bring my little kitten in here this morning, so that's what we're dealing with. So if you hear her in the background, I'm going to go ahead and apologize up front. But let's go ahead and get into these coupons, shall we? So, of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. We have a 1 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $4.50. So, after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have a 1 off 1 for the Gain liquid laundry detergent or the Bounce dryer sheets. Those are priced at $5.50. So, after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a $3.30 off 2 for the Febreze products. Those are priced at $3.25. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $3.20 for 2. We have a 1 off 1 for the All Free and Clear Mighty Packs 19 count. Those are priced at $5.50 this week. That is a sale price at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have 1 off 2 for the Huggies wipes. Those are priced at $2.50. So pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We have a 1 off 1 for the Tide laundry products. Those are priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Colgate Toothpaste. Now, I'll go ahead and give y'all a heads up. We still have that instant savings going on this week on Colgate, Palmolive, Suavitel, Irish Spring. There's a lot included, and we do have new coupons to match up with that instant savings. And just in case you all do not know, that instant savings deal is when you spend $10 on those products, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So, for this Colgate coupon, if you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are priced at $2.85. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Snuggle products. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Moving on down, we have 50 cents off 1 for the Tide Simply laundry products. So these are priced at $3.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Now, really quick, I have a question for you all out there. Who remembers when Tide Simply, the liquid and the pods, were $2.95, and we would have this glitch all the time, like basically every single week, with a 2 off 1 Tide coupon, digital, all digital, and we would end up paying just 95 cents with that digital glitch. Who remembers that? Leave me a comment down below because, man, those were the good old days, right? Alright, moving on, we have a 1 off 2 for the Lysol products. If you want to pick up the multi-purpose sprays, those are priced at $2.25. So pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50 for 2. We have a $1.50 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Those are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have a $1.75 off 1 for the Folgers coffee cans. Those are priced at $10.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. Now there is a deal going on with this one as well. For when you spend $10 on Folgers products, you're going to get a free Clover Valley coffee creamer. So keep that in mind. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Angel Soft bath tissue. Those are priced at $5.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. We have $1.50 off 1 for the Lysol laundry sanitizer. These have went up in price, so they are now $7.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.85. We have 1 off 1 for the Cascade dishwasher tablets. Those are priced at $11, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $10. There is the Loves coupons that I told y'all about last week. There are several that you're going to see as we scroll through here because I did not clip them to my account yet. So these are all pretty low value coupons. Just run through your coupons and check and clip the highest value coupons and use those up first. Alright, next up we have 2 off 2 for the Aussie shampoo, conditioner, or styling products. So these start out at $3 each. Pick up 2, that's going to put you at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Now this coupon is glitching and it is working on the travel sized Aussie shampoos. So these are priced at $1.30. You may find them in your clearance section. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay 60 cents for 2. Alright, moving on down, we have a 50 cents off one for the Caesar dog foods. So these are priced at $2.15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. We have a one-off one for the Colgate toothbrushes. So these start out at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. There's another one of those Loves coupons. We have 50 cents off for the Energizer batteries. The 2 packs are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have a one-off one for the Colgate mouthwash. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a Gerber snacks coupon. I forgot to do the math on that one, but we'll go ahead and clip it. We have a 3 off one for the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. So those start out at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a one-off one for the finished dishwasher tablets. So if you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have a one-off one for the Irish Spring, again included in the instant savings. So if you want to pick up these, they are priced at $5. You can pick up the bar soap or the body wash at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. There's another one of those Loves coupons. Alright, next up we have one for the pull-ups. Those are priced at $11.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $9.50. We also have a 2 off one for the Tylenol. If you want to pick up the 24 count, those are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.50. We have a 2 off one for the Airwick Scented Oil Refills 5 count. Those are priced at $11, so after the coupon you're going to pay $9. Pretty pricey. Next up, 2 off one for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliners, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And we have a 2 off one for the Huggies diapers. Those start out at $9.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. Moving on down, we have a 1 off 2 for the Gerber's teethers. Those are priced at $3.65. So pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.30 for 2. We talked about the Pantene coupons last week. Now, next up, we have a 1 off one for the Decon product. If you want to pick up the mouse traps, those are priced at $2.70. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.70. Next up, 2 off one for the Eucerin lotions. Those are priced at $5.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Moving on down, we have a $1.50 off one for the Sensodyne or Pronamel products. Those start out at $4.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. And there is another Pantene coupon, but I think we have a better coupon. I think it's a 4 off 2 if I'm remembering correctly. Next up, 2 off one for the Airwick Freshmatic starter kits. Those are priced at $11.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $9.50. We have $1.50 off one for the Parodontax products. Those start out at $4.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.75. We have 2 off one for the CoverGirl face products. So those start out at $6.25. After the coupon you're going to pay $4.25. Next up, 2 off one for the Motrin. If you want to pick up the 20 count, those are priced at $5, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3. Alright, we have 3 off one for the Gillette. I think I talked about that last week. I'm going to hold off and see if they give us a 4 off one for the Gillette razors. Okay, next up, 2 off one for the Advil products. So these start out at $6.85, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4.85. We also have a 2 off one for the Jergens Natural Glow. So those are priced at $6.75 also. After the coupon you are going to pay $4.75. Next up, 2 off one for the Extra laundry detergent. These are on the big jugs. Those are priced at $11.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $9.75. A lot of 75 cents today. Next up, 25 cents off one for the Ajax dish liquid 25 ounce bottles only. Those are priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. 2 off 1 for the Banana Boat products. So these start out at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have 1 off 1 for the Kanka liquid. These are priced at $6.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5.25. And we have a 4 off 1 for the Depends products. Those are priced at $14, so after the coupon you're going to pay $10. Alright, moving on down, we have 3 off 1 for the Dr. Scholl's insoles. These start out at $9, so after the coupon you're going to pay $6. We have a 50 cents off 1 for the Kellogg's Eggo Fruit Loops. So this did not pull up any price in my app. This is going to be a product that we're going to have to check in store on, but definitely go ahead and clip it. 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl Clean Beauty products. That one isn't attaching to anything as of right now, but go ahead and clip it to your account. We have 50 cents off 1 for the Castor Oil Motor Oil. Those are priced at $4.30, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.80. And we have a 1 off 1 for the DG Health Ibuprofen. So those are priced at $5.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. And we have 50 cents off 1 for the True Living Bath Tissue. These are priced at $4.70. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. And last but not least, we have a $1 off when you spend $4 on Believe Beauty nail products. Now, there's a lot of different products that y'all can choose from. They start out at $1 each and work all the way up to $5. So depending on what you want to get, spend $4 on Believe Beauty nail products and save $1. Alright guys, so that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons so far. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. On your way out, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.